the night.
Episode 22 of the Haole vlog.
The Haole vlog.
BREE's parents are here. Right now we're at the Dahui Shootout, which is a surf competition up on the North Shore. Pretty sick. Big waves. We're up doing the Makapu'u Lighthouse hike. Super short, but it's pretty cool.
It's pretty.
We go drinking underneath the green, and we dream of being 17. I remember who we...
If you look way over there, you can see that some of the other Hawaiian islands, and the whales are migrating. So hopefully we can see some whales while we're up here.
We were looking up to the future. When we were young, we thought we knew it all. When we were strong and undefeatable. Oh no, no, no. When we were young. Oh no, no, no. And we were innocent. When we were young and we were innocent. When I see you calling me closer to you, there's no place I'd rather be. Feel myself with you. There's no place I'd rather be. Feel myself with you.
All right, we just got done at the Lighthouse, and we finally found some whales. That was super dope. BREE, what'd you think of the whales?
They were so cute.
And then we stopped and got some Leonard's Bakery, some more malasadas, some Portuguese donuts. So, oh my God, why'd you go? Almost killed me.
Hi, sorry.
Well, sorry, BREE just about killed us trying to cross the street.
I turned around and you kept going.
Now we're gonna go take a nap, I think, and then eat some malasadas, and then I don't know what we're doing next, but it should be fun because it's Hawaii and it's the Haoles.
Scared of me, but what about you? You got it on me, but it's about you. True.
So we realized that we haven't introduced you guys to BREE's parents yet. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, y'all? Aloha from Oahu. We're walking down Waikiki right now on our way to the first trip for these guys to Chinatown. Hopefully it doesn't scare them. It's a little seedy in faces. But we're having a great time. Have a good day.
Wow, he's a pro.
good.
He's a pro.
And then
Getting some poke first.
Is that good?
Yes.
The table so
So we stopped at Fresh Catch to get some Hawaiian ahi poke.
Fresh. They had the entire fish out for us to look at, so it was nice.
More chopsticks.
Here's a little
Give you
view.
2 here.
On top of the rice, it's called furikake, and it is delightful.
What'd you
So the
get?
Fresh Catch is supposed to be one of the best poke places on Oahu. It was visited by diners, drive-ins, and dives. That's not why we came to eat it, but it did get a good endorsement from him as well. So for those of you who don't know what poke is, it's raw fish caught fresh that day. It's very common in the islands. And they take all kinds of different fish and put it out with different spices and sauces and things like that. So it's kind of like sushi. And it's a fan favorite between Jeremy and I.
Yeah. It's one of the best foods you can get in Hawaii. We're down in the business district of Honolulu checking out Chinatown. Damon used to live down here. That's pretty sick.
So we're in Chinatown right now, and you gotta watch your back, my man. It's actually very fun, very cultural, but it's got all kinds of different people. We having fun, buddy?
Oh yeah, always. Island is just so cool. There's so many different things. You got the beach, the mountains, the city. Then you got freaking Chinatown. It's awesome.
Stinks down here.
There's a lot of homeless. And
Just watched a guy pee outside. It was gross. Hey guys! I want to say something. I usually just make Jeremy do all of this.
Hey guys, leaving Hawaii, back to the wind and the cold weather. See you later.
We're concluding this vlog with taking my parents to the airport. They're going back to Casper, and it has been a great go around with them. And yeah, so this is the end of week 23. Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Do good in school.
I will.
really nothing.
Okay? Let's see how this builds.
What about the suitcases?
Oh, damn it, get out of there.